Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on Wallpaper Engine. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up Wallpaper Engine. You can just go ahead and click on your shortcut on your desktop, or you can go ahead and launch it up from Steam as well. And once you have it launched up, here on the home page, I want you to just go ahead and look for another wallpaper to change it with. So if you want, you can remove the wallpaper you currently have. So as you can see, I have this one installed. So I'll just come here and click on remove, and I'll click here on OK. And now that wallpaper is gone. So this is my default Windows wallpaper. And then we'll just come here and pick out another wallpaper. So let's say I want this retro one. I'll just click on that. Then I want you to just come here and click on apply to all wallpapers. Make sure all of these two are toggled on. We'll update all wallpapers in default settings. Click on OK. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been updated. And if you don't want to remove it first, you can just come here and just click on apply to all wallpapers as such. And then I want you to go ahead and toggle that one, click here on OK, and you'll see it has changed. And that is how to change wallpaper on Wallpaper Engine. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.